Hello, in this video we're going to go ahead and we're going to take the reference images that we just brought in and we are going to scale them appropriately. Okay, so I'm going to go over here to my top view, all right, and I'm going to go to these layers over here and I'm going to go to my layer number 1 and I'm going to just go ahead and create a line. Okay, and I'm going to go and I'm going to look for some stuff here that I can scale, some entourage. Okay. So, and I realize it's kind of not the greatest image, and that's okay. So I'm going to find something that I know is going to be the correct scale. So it looks like each one of these steps, I'm just going to assume that that step there, I'm going to start my line, hold down Shift, and I'm going to click right there. I'm going to assume that that step right there is 1 foot, okay, 12 inches or so. Maybe I'll move it over just a little bit. Just like that. It appears to be the same length. All right, now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to actually draw a step that's 1 foot long. So I'm going to click there and I'm going to type in the number 12 because I'm in inches and I'm going to hit enter. And now I'm going to rotate this thing down. I'm going to hold Shift. And now I'm going to click this guy and make sure it's the right length. So I'm going to type in Length, length. And yep, 12 inches. Okay, great. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to select, as you can see, I've got this surface is already selected. And now I'm going to zoom in and hold down Shift, and I'm going to click right here. And I'm going to select this second curve here. All right, so I've got the surface and this little curve here selected. And I'm going to type in scale, S-C-A-L-E, enter. And I'm just going to click once here, and then click another time here. And I'm zooming out, and I'm going to drag it until it snaps. Okay, what I've just done is I've more or less just scaled this particular object up. Okay, so I don't need this little surface right here. No, I do need that surface, sorry. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to make this next layer active. And I'm going to make sure I've got to move these things over here. All right, layer number 1 is now active, and I'm going to go up to my default layer, which is where I have my images on. So I'm going to type in images. Okay, and I'm going to make my layer 1 active again, and I'm going to go ahead and lock my images layer. Okay, so what I've just done is I've brought this thing in and I've scaled it. Okay. So I'm going to stop the lesson right here, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks.